This is how I feel on that ending day of my life. Yet I am not afraid. So I want you to enjoy my eternal vision.
16 chariots, I'm the one that carries me away, filled with the people that I love, while death and bells ring away. 6 pallbearers buttoned in a suit, white gloves on their hands to salute, 7 ministers to pray me a prayer for the ones I've treated unfair. Mama dear by my side while I go to the grave, one who come and he said that I gave this, it will be fine on that day that I die.